Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I'm going to do week 12 of Roxy's weekly challenge, which is vellum tags with a pocket. So I have a piece of vellum here, and it's 21 centimetres by about 7.5 centimetres, and that's 8.25 inches by 3 inches. And I just fold this piece up, and the folded piece is about 3 inches, which is about just a couple of smidgens over 7 centimetres. Okay, so you'll hear I'm a bit croaky. I've been missing in action for a few days. We got the dreaded COVID. That's the first time in all this time we've managed to miss it. And yeah, so if I start to, I've got my juice, I've got my Ribena, and if I start to croak a bit, just have to excuse me a little. Yeah, so the illustrations I'm going to use were from an old falling apart charity book that I managed to save from the bin, and I've just cut out some illustrations from that. I'm only going to make one today because I don't think my voice will hold up to do any more time on the camera. I've made a couple. I've got a couple already made that I'll show you at the end that I had a little bit of. This is the first day I've felt like coming into the room and having a go at something. So it's a tag with a pocket. So that's, I don't know whether that's going to be the front of the tag or the back of the tag, because both sides are going to be quite nice, I think. Can't decide. But anyway, I'm going to stitch round so that makes it that a pocket. I'll just cut I'll leave it all over the place as well. I think I've got a little bit of brain fuzz, COVID brain fuzz. Right, so that's the pocket. Let's decorate this little front bit of pocket. So this is from the Antiquarian Sticker Book. You'll know if you've got the book that there's alphabets at the back. There's alphas, that's the A from there. And I simply stuck it on an old piece of something or other, scrap paper, and then I cut the border off. So it's no longer a sticker, but that's okay. We can stick it on there. So I'll just go do that just now. Hubby says I sound quite sexy with the, I don't know what he's after. I'm like, surely a sore throat and a cough and a cold doesn't make you sound. It's like, I don't know if any of you watched Friends and the episode where Phoebe gets a cold and she thinks it makes her singing voice better, but that's what it's like. So I've just got a little label and maybe a little butterfly, just maybe that littler one, I think. Yeah, why not? So we'll just get these on. These are actually stickers, which for the first wee while I hadn't realised, and I was just sticking them on gaily, gluing them on, but no, they're stickers. And we'll get this little flutterby on. Oh dear, I hope you can't hear that. Hubby's coughing away in the living room there. He's two or 3 days behind me. I was struck on Sunday and he tested himself, let's see, this is Thursday, on Tuesday or Wednesday, or was it just yesterday? I can't remember. And yeah. Anyway, So we'll go and we'll stitch round that, and I've got the little the little tag within the tag, the little, I suppose it would be more a journaling card for the pocket. So the little illustration matches the back there. Yeah. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine and I'll stitch round the tag. Yeah. Okay, 2 ticks did that. We'll just got a little bit off that. Quite like to have a little bit of a, we'll make them different lengths. There we are. Yeah, if you don't have a machine, obviously a black pen, or you could just glue the pocket, make it a pocket. So that's that. That goes in there nicely. And we'll just put some finishing touches on it. I'm going to do a little bit of sari silk. I've got a tiny little bundle here to choose from. And I'm just going to use my punch that punches the long narrow hole. And so I've got that, and I'll choose a piece. I think we'll have this. No, we're going to put it through singly because I'm going to tie it with a bit of twine. Oh, that might be a wee bit too long, we'll see. I quite like that that bit all curls up. So I've got some twine here. I might just use this last bit of that. Just use. So we'll just tie a knot, I think. And then do your second knot. Yeah, that's quite nice. Like I say, I can't decide what's the front and what's the back with this tag. I don't suppose it matters. Right, let's put a wee finishing touch on this. We'll put a little eyelet in it, I think. We'll use the small side. So this is the 1/8. So that's the smaller hole for a smaller eyelet. We'll just find the middle there. And because we're using the smaller eyelet, I've twirled my cubes to the gold colour. So you just pull them out and turn them round and then push it back in. For the smaller eyelet, it's the gold colour. And I think we'll put a little, what colour? I've got small eyelets, pastel colour, and the small ones are white. All the other ones I've got are bigger eyelets. So I wonder if a wee yellow one, there's a wee kind of greeny yellow. That's quite nice, the yellow. Oh, I need to hammer that one down a wee bit. These little eyelets that I've got are really old. and I'm not sure that they're the best. They were the best make when I bought them. Right, let's just use this leftover bit of twine for this. Put it through the mushed up eyelet. Not to worry. We'll just take a little bit of that. There. That's quite nice. The little bunnies shining, popping through, shining through, I suppose he is shining through, popping out the top there. And there's his pal. So I've got these ones, because that's A, and I've got B, which is kind of the same. And obviously C, which is kind of the same again. So let's find a good spot for one of them. We'll clear away the gubbins, the little spare pieces, and we'll bring in the challenge journal. This is where I've been putting every week's make, and we'll find a nice spot for the tag. So what we're looking for is maybe a pocket, and I think we did pockets another week. There's a pocket here, but that's got that matching tag in it, and this has got this long tag. Here's a pocket. Now that yellowy might actually quite be good with that one sticking out. That picks up a wee bit of the yellow there, that's quite good. So that's good. We'll keep that one. We'll put that one in there, and these two can go in the box with all the spares for another journal, and I'm happy with that. Oh, it's nice with the robin that there as well. Oh, I can't decide which side is best. That side you see the two layers. But then maybe if you put that side in and then you go to pull it out, you're like, oh, and you go, oh, and then there's a wee surprise on the back. I could just sit and put these in and out all day. But I think I am liking that side best. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go because I don't think I can say many more words. And if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.